Suppose now we are getting an example to solve. It is 999 multiplied by 893. Okay, here by observing 998 is less than 2 by base, and it is less, extremely sorry, those both number are near the 1000. So here in this example our base is 1000. Okay, now this number is less than 2 by base, and this number is less than 107 by base. Okay, now here still you need a help to understand how fastly and how ideally we can subtract the numbers from base. After completion this example we will understand that also. Okay, here then 107 into 2 is 214 cross line, and now this I want to do 893 minus 2 is 891. Okay, here base have 3 zeros, here we got 3 digit number, so directly we are writing answer 8,91,214. This is the final answer here. Okay, just I told you how we mentally can subtract given number from the base. For that we are learning one simple trick of subtraction that we are getting. Here the number was what? 998, and our target, our intention was what? Subtracting from base. Base is 1000, and another number was 897, and here I should write 897 subtracting from 1000. Okay, those two example of subtraction we mentally do. So what is the rule here? That is to understand firstly. If such like number is there, 10,000, 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and you are subtracting something from it, then what to do? Here is one rule. That one rule is what? I am just writing here. Last from 10, rest from 9. Okay, it's funny sentence to keep in mind. Last from 10, rest from 9. Okay, it means what? Last digit should subtract from 10 and rest of digit should subtract from 9. That easily we can do mentally. 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. Answer 2 we got there. Here also last digit from 10. So 10 minus 7, 3. From rest of from 9. So 0, 1. Okay, by taking a big example you will understand very carefully here, very properly here. Suppose there is a number 1 crore and you have to subtract 75 lakh 83,057. This number you are going to subtract from 1 crore. Then our rule is what? Last from 10, rest from 9. Okay, according to that rule, last digit we are going to subtract from 10, rest of all digits we are subtracting from 9 to write the answer. Then here 3, rest of all from 9, 4, 9, 6, 1, 4, 2. This is our answer. Okay, always keep in mind and use this mental trick of the subtraction to solve your example, so you won't waste time. In the mathematics we are learning to solve example very speedily, as possible as speedily. Its feature of the Vedic mathematics is that you can solve minimum 10 to 15 times faster than our existence method. So fraction of second also you are trying to save in examples method. Next example is here 795 multiplied by 997. Okay, now the first one number is less than 5 0, 2. I done that only previous subtraction method, and here is less 3. Okay, now multiplication is there. Then here in the multiplication also one mental trick you can do. You can differ mentally 205. You can differ 205 separately. Then 200 into 3, 600, and 3 5s are 15. 615 is the answer mentally if you are multiplying. Okay, and now this minus 3 is 792. So final answer is this one only, because base have 3 zeros. Here we are 3 digits. We have 3 digits. So our answer is 7,92,615. That's it. Okay. We are rubbing. Now one more example we are taking. 987 multiplied by 899. Okay, this number is less than 310 and this number is less than 101. Okay, now multiplication of the right side is 1313, and now we can subtract this much from it. Answer is 886. Okay, here base have 3 zeros. Here we got 4 digit number, so we are needing only 3 digits. So this digit we are transferring here. So final answer we are getting 887313. That's it. A simple we done now. We are nearly everything understood properly. Now here one more simple trick you are understanding how mentally I solve this example. Here 13 multiplied by 101. Again one more example I am taking. Suppose you are multiplying any 2 digit number by 101, means 101. Then a simple rule is that what 2 digit number you are multiplying by 101, that just only write twice. That is the answer. Means if you are multiplying 45 by 101, just write 45 45. It means 4545. One more example we are taking here, that is suppose 78 multiplied by 101, then you are writing here 78. It means 7878. Rule is what? If you are multiplying any 2 digit number by 101, to write twice itself. That's it. We have done it. Okay. Now next example we are solving. It is 997 multiplied by 909. Okay, actually this example we can solve by different way also. In the forthcoming methods you will understand there are many of the multiplication method. Okay, but still by this method how we can solve, that we are going to understand. Okay, so now here it is less than 3 by base, it is less than 1 by base. 3 ones are 3 we got here, and here now 997 less 1 is 996. Okay, base have 3 zeros and here we got only 1 digit. So by adding 2 more zeros, now we made this number as a 3 digit number, and then finally we are writing answer. It is 9,96,003. This is our answer. Yes. Now from here one more example we are solving, because by solving more and more example your concept would be clear how to use it. The example is 892 multiplied by 996. Okay, now this number is less than 108 by base and this number is less than 4 by base. Now multiplication is what? Again this number mentally to depart 108 like that. So 432, 8 4s are 432 is the right side, and left side is what? This number into less this is 8, 8 and 8. Base having 3 zeros. Here also we got 3 digits in the right side. So we are not writing answer back again. You can understand yourself. It is 8,88,432. Now we will turn to next example, that is here only, but here our example would be with the base of 10,000. Example is what? 9,876 multiplied by 9,998. Both numbers are near the 10,000, just I told you only. Now this number is less than 4210 and this is less than 2. You know it, you can easily understand. By mental subtraction I found this answer. Now here also you can mentally divide 120, mentally separate 124 and you can then do 248. 248, 24 twos. Here this number minus this number I am getting 9,874. Here to observe, here observation is there. Base have 4 zeros. So here only 3 digits are there. So one more 0 I should add to write the to complete the answer. So final answer I am getting, it is 9 crore 87 lakh 40,248. Okay, it was 4-digit number and it is easy to understand. Just you will understand again. One more time the same example we are going to solve. I want to this number is less than 124 by base. This number is less than 2 by base. Now multiplication of these two, it was 248 and this number minus this number, it came 9874. It was only 3-digit number. Here base have 4 digit, so one more 0 we added and this answer we got. Yes. Apart from this, also you can subtract this number from it to get left part of the answer. You know it. Now one more example we are taking. It is now with the base of 1 lakh. One more step. It is now 99,992 multiplied by 99,984. Okay. As being the example more bigger, you would feel the enjoy and speed, you will understand how easily. The same method is there. For explaining you I am solving slowly, else every example within 7 to 8 seconds we can easily solve. Okay, now subtraction if you will do, you will understand that this number is less than 8 by base and this number is less than 16 by base. Carefully observe. I have observed, so I could write properly. Now this multiplication is there. 16 into 8. 144 is that. I am sorry. It is 128. Okay. Now subtraction is there. This number minus 8 we can do. We are getting 99,976. Okay. Here base have 50. We got the right side 3 digits only. So 2 more zeros we should add. So this is our final answer. Answer is 999 crore 76 lakh 128. You think now, by our traditional method, if 5 digit into 5 digit you are multiplying, definitely it could require minimum 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes. And we could solve this example just only in 12 to 15 seconds. Okay, no problem. We are rubbing. And here you are getting one exercise. By solving that exercise, you would be again little bit more perfect in the base method where you are using the both given number less than base. Thank you.